Yeah.
What a weekend, bro.
What a weekend, man.
The weekend was all about prom. What a weekend. Hey. This is more than riches.
Okay.
This is wealth.
Bro. Wealth. W-E-T.
Hey.
Wealthy.
Bro, growing up, it be now me I hear of things. Last year, when I started to hear of something like prom night. Joe, the day.
Our day,
my nigga.
Graduation, my nigga.
Uko school benya graduation.
Hey, our day.
Yeah, our day. Then carry you, they give you basket, cook rice and contombre stew. Then add one big coke for the teacher. That be all. End of term. That be what we know. From last year, bro, there's a prom night. Hey! Well, I'm sure you guys have seen in the news over the weekend on Saturday, Otumfuo said Tutu the second. He was in town. Not because a president say make it come, not because he they attend in Kidi in graduation from DPS. The school leading DPS. All them big schools where big people that Kidis they go. The name it no belong.
Simple.
GIS, DPS, AIS,
ICT.
Yeah, Kwame Banchi DA primary, Kwame Bawe DA primary, Benkum YE Tinibu Akodia, Opening Yankwada primary school. Tie Etikafo school no GIS, AIS, DPS, Jack and Jill, ICT, bro. Yeah. Oh, who to blame?
I'm so emotional right now.
Me too, nigga. I'd see the name of the school DPS. Nothing DPS. Delhi International School Prom Night. Then do on Friday evening. And Friday evening in the school they have Otumfuo in Kidi. The prince. He did part.
Wow.
He's graduating 2024-2025 academic year. And bro, Yashisha the life say puzzle. The aura the guy they take move. The space the guy they command. That's when I realized that rich people smiling be different. Yeah, if me are the laugh, bro, young boy, young boy.
Hello, thank you very much. Students, please go back and take your seats. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Thank you very much. Take your seats.
And the prom night, hey, See the vehicle this guy they take, bro. If you come prom night in this last year, then something Cheddar and Kiddy last year, bro. Rolls Royce, Range Rover, these big vehicles. They will go pick date. Bro, prom night is different from our day. Our day is end of term. Prom be like after an academic calendar, like something like send off something. The next day, we have graduation. So prom night, they pay everyone, you get a date. Now, sure boy, you need dates. Nah. Bro, this is where rich people, they meet rich people. These places, they don't sack school fees. Who they share videos maybe? I saw the kids that were graduating from the DPS. I'm like, hey, these people don't know what economy is. These people don't experience light out. These people don't know what school fees, sacking school fees. These kids, they don't break bounds. You can braid, you can wear anklets, you can do anything you want to do. Teacher educate. Oh God. If not for any reason, for the sake of our kids, make every individual rich. True, let our kids also experience. And as they do the prom night on Friday evening, Saturday was the official graduation. Otumfuo say Tutu from Kumasi private jet who bam to Kotoka all the way to Tema. And the private jet is not be any other person in private jet but Ibrahim Mahama. Bro. So private jet, the people he pick, who is skinning quality ever foul. But I love what he's doing. They use the private jet, they take flex online. They take expedite process for people. If you remember, Kofi Adoma had, then they won't use the private jets, pick them, then bring them to Accra. They use expedite process for people. And you know, Otumfuo into me, won't bet na African world and our passion air. No. So most of the time, if they come Accra, they drive convoy, they say 20, then they come. But this time round, they use private jet as Otumfuo touchdown for the school. All attention switched from everyone will come the graduation. The topic of the day was for Otumfuo. Bro, this be what we call aura. Aura, man. He entered the environment. The linguists and the people then follow him come alone.
Aura, man.
Pull up with his wife. Bro, this is the second time I see his wife. I'm like, wow. Otumfuo Yiri Julius said Tutu. In daughter too was there. She was also there. Bro, environment, no. Kwadwo was there. The graduation, the guy graduated that day. He get admission to Wesleyan University in the US. Bro, the guy in life, they are arranging his puzzle. There are people in this life that can never go wrong with anything. If you look, the guy in suit, the way the guy they walk, and he be them head. Head boy. In our back then, friend school prefect, boys school P, boys prefect. We are friend head boy. When I saw the name, I'm like, see the way the guy in here be bushy. If it be my JHS, my SHS, but with DM primary, they just go cut your hair.
Pains, P-double-T, pains.
Bro. And the prom night is still the go on because end. That same Saturday night, Cheddar. Cheddar and Kidi too.
Pull up.
Rolls Royce or no GIS. Who they DPS GIS. He go pull up picking date. Hey, bro, I've seen some guys. Bro, these girls are young girls who some say no top 18. So some of you boys will go full in the comment section. Some of you the full stop. You just see that. Yes, you see they get, but bro, don't try. This one's you know they your league. It go hard to meet people like this in town. Otumfuo ba wokurom. These girls that you won't meet them in town, bro. You can't follow their footsteps because they are always in a car. You not go meet this one. Hey, where? Now, mommy has said, Madina go to Otumfuo about Madina market. Now, how many times you people say yes, Otumfuo get Kidi, the boy be prince? Then profile the boy in graduation, make it look like inauguration, like wedding. The way you profile, bro. You see, I saw an article astrology, bro.
Hey, astrology, and the astronomers, my nigga.
Yeah. Business admin, HR, PR, LR, Mac, as Oko space. The boy in Kobe. And what they study, you know, being with they study you. International school, Delhi, private school. What they study, no what we they do. And Kofi is Did you hear the guy speak when he was delivering a speech? Listen.
Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second, Asante Himi. Lady Julia Osei, former President Kwadwo, ambassadors and various dignitaries, director, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, proud parents, guests, and of course my fellow students, class of 2025. As we approach the end of our journey together as students of DPS, there are many things I wish to express to you all, and I believe they can be summed up into two parts: where we've been and where we're going. So, I hope for us to keep this in mind as I deliver my final address to you all. I've had many experiences throughout my time here and have overcome many obstacles throughout. When presented with a new curriculum and school system following the COVID lockdown, all the way to the challenges many of us here faced while finishing my final exams. It goes without saying that I wouldn't have been able to get through it without the help of many people, most of whom are here before me today. Firstly, I'd like to thank two parts of my own heart: my mother and my father, my first and primary support system. The two individuals who have contributed to who I am today since my first day in this world. The people whose words and actions echo in my mind and soul on a daily basis. The main examples when I need reference, the main confidence when I need guidance. I am so thankful to have had you as my first guides throughout this journey.
Now, the school owner says, as Otumfuo come, do you know how privileged you'll be if Otumfuo come your school? You know the attractions. The whole prom night and graduation, it not be about the Kada Kidi self, it be about Otumfuo. That could tell you the aura the Ashanti Kingdom
Aura,
carry.
my nigga.
And the other kiddies where my name no pop up, you know be say they are not big people's children. Oh.
Yeah.
You know the funny thing, right? The prom night, it reach the time the kiddies all the dance. Then Otumfuo and kiddy come, say they can't dance, right? Watch the video. Bro, it's Kafwa Sankasa dear. Oh my goodness. It's rich people that are dancing this day like this. Poor man. Rich kid did dance just whatever video no. Poor man. Now they are this son of Mwabu. What?
Alright, man.
Bro, this why I not say your papi get money, your mommy get money, you go live this lifestyle. You need a whole family to be rich for you to be in a condition like this. Yes, I dia yeni DA Sektek, tek, every bustek, abuspe, ekengbe, pantek, dastek, mausek, get Wesley Gamasek, Ganas, or no one yebe kukobia, bro. I'm not here to say to anyone, but bro,
It is what
it is. I saw some people in the comment section trying to blame their family. Someone say, no, make you blame him poppy or him mommy. I'm here to tell you that your mommy and your poppy no fit do one for you. You also grow. Make sure you do same for your kids, because if you don't do it, 20 years time, your kids will be online and they are going to reference and say, my papa so no, yeah. Now you are the background. If your parents don't do for you, you are the background now. What can you do? That's now. Be there. So yeah, Otumfuo they were back. They need to graduate. This morning I see them post picture, then cut cake or give them. Hey, rich people to them, kid, no book. Oh, and yeah, but now, Popo is a kind of. Sometimes they have to lash us to learn. For a rich man's child, that everything they house already. If it themselves they know for learn, but then rather they no book pass. Now God. This video is just a prayer request. Put us in positions. But don't think, I've seen some people also saying, don't think Otumfuo is an ordinary person before he becomes chief. You can go and read. They Oppo. He built like, he has assets. He get like resources. You know, have you heard him speak before? The last time I saw some argument, have you heard him speak? Recently, Mahama invite him come. They do some aviator or something. Have you heard Otumfuo speak before? And now he did Oppo and he found about some brand video. And yes, Otigo. He is a rich man before becoming a chief or a king. So make you not see him say no, bro. And yeah, he need no money to go read about his wife self. You understand? The game is the game. So either you work hard, then the add-ons will come later. If not, you're on your own. Yeah. Make sure your kiddies go enter the prom night conversation in next 10. Bro, Cheddar and kiddie, in mobile phone case, be gold plated. Watch. See the drip. Rolls Royce did they take go pick date. This boy, just what we did 21.
Oh, 20.
Whatever the 20. Rolls Royce did they take go pick date. My puppy or your puppy in dream car. We have some celebrities in Ghana, they buy Rolls Royce. They throw party. 20 years at the Kopiki dates. The game is far ahead, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll end it here. This episode is brought to you by Didi. Yes, Didi. Yeah. Oh, they want to mean call DPS. They are Didi. Yes, Didi Lamem is coming very soon. Whilst with the chop and then with the jam to Lamem, then my music. If you want Jollof, Kenke, You want fried rice, reach out to Didi. Organization, party, wedding, any events, just reach out to Didi, and then they are going to take care of everything for you. My name is Ace Kanti. This episode was brought to you by Didi. We out.